Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable night light on Realme Book Prime 14. And to do this we'll need to click on the start, then select this pinned settings and go for the system. Here there's display and you can change the night light to on just like that. But yet we have another settings. We can click on this arrow and then change the strength of the nightlight, and you can also schedule nightlight for a specific time of a day, like set hours. Turn on 21 and it will end at 7, and there's also option to turn on when the sunset to rise like this, but sadly, the location settings on my laptop are turned off, so I can't do it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.